Howdy guys, AutoEdits Jason here, and we are here at the 2021 SEMA Show here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna bring you in with me, show you some highlights, run you around, and just give you a glimpse into what it's like to be back live at SEMA. We're gonna sneak up on a couple of influencers in the wild. Here they are doing influencer things.
I'm influencing. Yeah, be careful, I might influence you.
I'm heavily influenced by him. There is actually so much more to that. Yes, that's great. Having a very good time.
Holy cow, is this a Suburban?
Now you guys know I used to have a pretty cool old Ram truck, 2009. I'm a huge fan of the TRX. I liked Raptors. I'm a truck guy, even though I love my Jeep. I'm a truck guy, and so I love everything about TRX. It's a good rig. Oh my God, how cool is that?
Super cool, because you can step up through right here, so the ladder must come down right here.
Oh,
so you've
man.
got all that zipped into one unit.
That is cool.
It's brilliant.
Hey, Tony Carvel from Bestop. I'm at SEMA 2021. And right behind me is the all-new Jeep Wrangler 4xe called Echo. We called it Echo because it is our fantastic build showing off our products, but at the same time, the whole theme is electrification, right? So electrification and something that's unique and something that's different for this vehicle, I electrified the paint. So the actual paint is glowing. It has a circuit board, and it actually has power that is actually glowing. I could turn it off and turn it on in sequence. So give me a second, check it out. Look at the paint. Oh my gosh.
Oh! Yeah, it's coming. There it is. Nice. Wow. Very cool. A Tesla with the LS engine. Ironic.
And that's
I'm actually really digging the new Ford Lightning truck. It's just cool to have a truck platform that you trust and know with the electric drivetrain, and it's all-wheel drive. I'm digging this thing. I actually really am eyeballing these things. .000 horsepower naturally aspirated crate engine right there. Chevrolet did that this year. Cool. All right, we're in the new West Hall, which is a whole new building that was on the Gold parking lot. If you've ever been to the convention center, And now we're in the Jeep and truck world. So these are my people right here. This is like stuff that I'm super interested in lately. So it's kind of cool. Checking out the 4x4s. So right here behind me, you'll recognize we have a couple of off-road celebrities. We got Brad from Trail Recon, and of course Nate right there. A couple other folks. Pretty cool. So we're in the iCamper booth, and Nate's over there trying to convince David to get a rooftop tent for the Suburban, and I'm over here because the Tahoe works so good. I found this kind of like single mattress setup that is the most comfortable inflatable mattress I've ever been on. I'm thinking the Tahoe might get some living quarters upgrades now that it has proven itself to be a very good camping rig. This is pretty amazing. So this is go, SEMA. This is why you're here, to test drive all this stuff. Yeah, very comfy. So I gotta admit, the videos that you've seen of this and the pictures don't do it justice. In person, this is a very good looking vehicle. I'm really surprised. I've always been mildly interested, like I told you about the Ford Lightning. I'm liking the electric truck world. So it's really interesting, and it is a really handsome vehicle. I love that. It's very, very cool. Well, there you go. That'll wrap up my sharing with you what it's like to be back in public for the 2021 SEMA Show. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy your drive. I know that guy just did.